Patrick's Day, everybody, and welcome to my Lucky 4-Leaf Clover satin pillow tutorial. This is going to be awesome. Let's do this. So your first step is going to be to go ahead and find a design that you like and pin it to the fabric. You're going to have your two pieces of satin right sides pinned together with the design pinned to the top. Then it's sewing machine time. You're going to start sewing around the border of the design slowly, making sure that you're accurate, and anytime you reach a corner, just lift up that foot and turn the design around and then lower the foot and keep sewing. You're going to sew the paper right into the satin. You should end up with something like this, and then you're going to go ahead and cut around the design to get rid of some of the excess fabric, followed by cutting into each of the corners to release some of the tension, so that way when you turn the design inside out, you actually see the real design. Make sure not to skip this step, otherwise you won't have the cute 4-leaf look that you're going for. It should look like this once you cut into all the sides and relieve that tension. Then proceed to cut out the center of the paper, leaving only the outside, which is going to act as a backing reinforcement to the fragile satin fabric. Then you're going to go ahead and turn that fabric inside out and start stuffing it. And it's at this step where you really start to see that lucky 4-leaf clover shape come to life. It's totally feeling like St. Patrick's Day now. Once you have this, your last step is to sew up this last opening into the shape of the last leaf. You can do this either by sewing, or you can try using a glue stick if the sewing isn't working for you. I personally use both methods. Then you're going to go ahead and make a little bow as an accent. I also clip the ends of the bow using this handy ribbon cutter, which cuts the ends of the bows without letting them fray. It's super helpful. I'll go ahead and link that down below for anybody that wants to pick one up. Once you have your bow, you're going to go ahead and hot glue it onto the base of the 4-leaf clover, between the 4-leaf clover and the end of the stem. Press firmly, and here you have it. You're all finished, your final product. It's so cute. I'm feeling lucky. Happy St. Patrick's Day. I hope this sweet satin pillow put you really in the mood for this 2020 St. Patrick's Day holiday coming up. Thanks for joining me. Comment down below if you like this DIY. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more things like this. I'm going to be uploading 2 videos every week for all of 2020. Thanks for joining me, guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day, and I hope you find the gold at the end of the rainbow.